Assalamualaikum students, our today's topic is the Rowlatt Act. We will discuss this topic under three main headings: background, the terms of the report, and the Indian reaction. So first one is the background. The British had offered concessions in the mounting Chelmsford reforms, uh, which they had hoped would win the support of Indian people. However, they had intention of taking strong and effective action against any anti-British element in India which opposed British rule. So in December 1917, a committee was framed under Justice Rowlatt to investigate a revolutionary activity in India. In April 1918, committee submitted its report, uh, which contained suggestions and recommendations. On behalf of those recommendations of Justice Rowlatt, in 1919, the Rowlatt Act was being passed. So, in that report, it was said or suggested that there was a definite growth of a revolutionary activity inside the India, which should be dealt as a matter of urgency. So, the committee recommended that some of the emergency measures of the Defence of India Act should be kept permanently. So, most controversial among them were arrest without warrant. According to that, Indian police could arrest any Indian without permission, without warrant. Secondly, detention without bail. The Indians who could be arrested by the Indian police were being imprisoned, uh, and they uh, were having no right of bail. Thirdly, the right of provincial government to order people where to live. It meant that the government had the authority to bound the people to keep them uh, living in a particular place of their own desire. So the proposals caused uprising in India as they appeared to go against two of the central principles of the British justice, namely trial by jury and safeguards uh, against illegal imprisonment. So, as a result, Jinnah resigned from the Imperial Legislative Council, and it was just to show the protest, because the terms of the Rowlatt Act, they were totally inhumane and against the rights of the common people. In April 1919, there were massive strikes and demonstrations across India. Gandhi launched the strikes against the Rowlatt Act as well. So finally, the Indian Viceroy ignored all the opposition and accepted the recommendations of the committee working under Justice Rowlatt.